Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome Nexo to this speaking class to practice speaking and use what we learned before, weather vocabulary and past simple regular verbs through 3 exercises.
Great. Emma, I am ready to speak and practice slowly.
First, shadowing helps you listen carefully and repeat with a natural rhythm. Second, read aloud helps you read clearly and feel more confident with English sounds. Third, describe the picture helps you say simple ideas about what you see.
I like this plan because the steps are clear.
Perfect. Let us start with shadowing and listen and repeat together. Shadowing. In shadowing, listen and repeat after me, one short phrase at a time.
Okay. I will listen first and then repeat.
The sun is warm. I opened my umbrella. We walked in the rain. The wind moved the cloud. It did not snow yesterday. Did you watch the storm? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. The rainbow looked beautiful. I waited near the door. We listened to the rain. The fog covered the street. Ice stayed on the window. Lightning flashed at night. Hail started after lunch. I didn't close the window. Did the wind stop? Read aloud. Great shadowing work, Nexo. And now, in Read Aloud, you will read the text aloud first, and then the viewer should pause the video and read it calmly.
I am ready to read it aloud. Yesterday, I walked to the park with my sister. The sun was warm and a small cloud moved across the sky. Later, rain started, so we opened one umbrella. We waited under a tree and watched a rainbow after the rain stopped.
Nice work, Nexo. You did it well.
Thank you. I tried to speak clearly.
Now it is your turn, so pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Great work, everyone. And now in Describe the Picture, describe what you see. Try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied. And Nexo will try first, before your turn.
I will try to use short and simple sentences. In the picture, a small park is wet after a storm. The rain stopped, but people still use an umbrella near the path. The sun is behind a big cloud and a rainbow is in the sky. There is light fog near the trees and the wind moves the leaves. I can see small hail and ice on the ground. Far away, lightning flashed near a dark cloud, but the park looks calm now.
Now it is your turn, so pause the video and describe the picture in your way, using the words shown. Do not make it complicated, use short and simple sentences. For example, sun, the sun is in the sky, and umbrella, I see an umbrella.
Small sentences are okay, and they help a lot.
Now, you, the person listening, pause and speak. And little by little, you will do it better.